Well, 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 well. Ba-dow. Oh, math. Does that spell anything upside down? No, I guess that could be a W. Oh, toe. Y-T-O-W. Y-toe. I don't know. Let's turn it this way and do some math. How's that? All right? Math, math, math. Beating this dead horse once again. Y'all ever heard that expression, beating a dead horse? You know what it means? It means like if a horse died and you beat him, he's not going to run any faster. He's not going to do what you want him to do, pull a plow or do something like that. You're beating a dead horse. He ain't going to change, right? So we've been beating a dead horse here on these negative exponents for a couple days now, right? I think we're finally getting it. So after today's warm-up and practice quiz, tomorrow you will have a little warm-up again, and then you'll have a quiz tomorrow on Thursday. So please, you have seen every question that is going to be on that quiz. Every daggone question. No doubt. All right? This is the same type of question you might see on the quiz. All right? So you need to be able to do this. If you can't do this, back up. Go watch Monday again. Go check your warm-ups. Go watch the video on negative exponents. You got to get this, right? All right. So you know the drill. Today's Wednesday. Oh, write this down. It's going to fill in the empty blanks, fill in missing numbers. Negative exponent, fraction with exponent, decimal, fraction. Writing numbers different way. That's all we're doing, is writing a number a different way. So here they are, and yeah, push pause once you get it written down. All right, I'm back. If you don't have this written down or filled in, done, you need it done, stop right now. Write it down and stop, because I'm getting ready to do it. All right, for those of you that did it, here we go. Which better be all of you. All right, negative exponents. First thing I do is look at that exponent, see that it's negative. All right, I want to write it as a fraction with an exponent. To make a fraction, we need a fraction bar. We always put a 1 on top. That negative turns into that line, and then we can never ever have a negative on the bottom. Lose the negative sign. 1 over 10 to the first power. All right. Decimal. Look at the exponent. Tells me 1, 0. Always put a 1 at the end. Put the decimal between the first two. That number is 1/10. All right. This is good familiar because I think we did this yesterday. All right. Next one. As a fraction, we can go here. All we're doing is write that number backwards. So 0, 1 turns into 1, 0. And put a 1 on top. 1/10. There we go. Negative exponent, fraction with exponent, decimal, fraction. All right, here I gave you the fraction with the exponent, right? Still, look at the exponent. It's a 4. I know I need 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always put a 1 at the end, decimal in between. All right. To write your fraction from a decimal, write this number backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 1 is on this end. Now you flip it and put a 1 on top. That is 1/10,000th. All right, and then to go over here to make it a negative exponent, we're going to lose the 1 and put a negative 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. All right, next one. We start with the fraction. I look at the zeros. 3 zeros. Let's start over here. I know my base is always 10. I need a negative 3. Because it's got 3 zeros in it, right? If we do the next column, the fraction, we need a fraction bar. With an exponent, all we do is lose the negative sign. 1 over 10 cubed. 10 to the third power is cubed. All right? Second power, which we don't have here, squared. If it's anything to the third power, it's cubed, because it's times, times, times. You cubed. All right? And last but not least, we need 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and a 1. Put a dot on the end. Hopefully it's getting easier. These videos are getting quicker, right? Not waste a lot of time. We're going to go into new stuff. Remember, one last warm-up tomorrow in a quiz. Do your 4 practice questions. Proud of you guys that are doing your stuff. Grades are going up. That means you're ready for the quiz tomorrow. If your grades are not going up on this 4 practice questions we're getting ready to do today, you need to backtrack and study a little bit for tomorrow's quiz. You've been warned, right? You're not here in the class for me to get in your face like this. Study a little bit. You got a quiz tomorrow. Come on, man. Oh crap, I'm still recording.